And speaking of those kids, we thought that they might be taking the stand on behalf of their dad. We learned today the shocking moment that he's not going to be putting on a mitigation defense. We dug into our Court TV archives to see some other defendants who seem to not want to fight the death penalty. Henry Segura was one of them. He was convicted of killing his girlfriend and killing 3 children. And there he is back in 2019 during that trial. He didn't want his lawyers to present any mitigation evidence. He even waived his right for an opening and closing. So that's different than we're seeing here. John Pryor is doing an opening and closing. The jury in that case gave him life. Scott Nelson is another one in Florida as well. He took the stand and told the jury, I deserve to be executed. His attorneys, though, put on mitigation evidence, said he's mentally ill and he just wants his own cell on death row. It's not fair. You should give him life. The jury again gave him life. Why do you think Chad Daybell made this move? I
think Chad Daybell's different. I have a theory. I think Chad Daybell is doing it for completely different reasons. He truly believes he's the prophet. And so if you're the prophet, like all other prophets before you, not a single prophet begged for their life or asked another human being to spare them. My theory is that he just put his hands in his Lord and Savior and said, it's out of your hands. Whatever God's will is, God's will is. I don't want anybody to say. I think if he would have come out there and did anything to be seen, to be sit back now and write books and tell people, hey, come to me, you're my flock now, right? I think he's looking down the road. He's a convicted felon of killing 3 people. I think he's looking down the road and saying, I got to maintain this whole prophet thing because I'm not going to appeal this thing. I'm not going to get out of jail no matter what I do. And if I die, I die. But I don't think I will. I think I'm going to live a long, healthy life, be skinny in prison, and be a prophet.